Hello, my name is Minecraft Masters, and today we are walking my dog over at See, we are down in school, so I'm gonna take a little exam. Oh yeah, let me walk my dog. She's right there. She's a good girl. Okay, yeah. See y'all. Look at the dude. He's riding his bike. Hey, what are you doing? 2 kids walk Flocka? Yeah, that's everybody but move. Oh, went right through him. Yeah. You're just gonna walk around, yes. I guess you can just walk around for a little bit. Hey, it's to meet you back. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? Well, they are dogs, I think. You're more like a cat, Bee, because the only thing you do is just lick your paws. Okay. Yeah. Hey, everybody, this day. Just gonna be a short video, just about my dog and where we are. I was still continue this video. I'm gonna continue this video. Come back. Like, great. That's gonna be hard to get off. Never mind. Oh, Jesus, there you are. You're being here. TV? That's the kind of camera. Oopsies. Come on. You're coming back. Yeah, don't worry. You can go sniff that moss a little bit later. As you're walking out. Sorry, Bean, you okay? I just ran my shoe into your face because that must have hurt. I think that raindrop. Lisa. Yeah. Welcome to Renting. I really wish you would stay on side for. You know what I mean? But you're stay on side for at least a time. Hey. Dean, what was that making that noise? I know. I stepped on something, didn't I? Stop! What is that noise? Something, huh? Awkward. Huh. Hey, just another car. He's going that way. There's something I'm scared of that. Oh, I see you. I'm so building that. I see they put up a little wooden wall here. Just to block up what I'm holding. I don't know why would they block that off for. Oh, what in the heck is that? I found wood. It's not disgusting. It is my music. is that? Oh, what is that? I think it's for Memorial Day, because today is Memorial Day. But why the heck is that guy just driving backwards? Really? He's driving backwards. Or she. Whatever it is. Male or female. They're driving backwards. Really. What is the noise? Whatever. Oh my gosh, that's annoying. Oh, yeah, I forgot my shoes. My shoes make some weird noise. I'm late. And I have blocked that off. What the heck? And then the block that off. I said, look, it says the curse words on my. He just walked up and down and let's see. How are you doing? Do you doing good, right? Oh, that sounds annoying. Maybe? Is that my shoes? Oh, I forgot. I thought I was put some toys in my shoe. Sometimes when I'm not wearing my shoe, I'm wearing flip-flops. It's a nice day. It's going to rain. It's going to rain all day. And I said, dog. Look at them dogs. So cute. Listen to hop in the car. Oh. Yeah, they tried to catch the dog. So cute. Jesus, sticks. Let's just take off 2 dogs. Let's just do that, that's all. He's my neighbor around here. Bye. Never mind. Okay. I guess so. Bye. Okay. Never mind. I guess so. There we are. My house. Welcome to my house. It seems a little creepy like that. I'm not from what I see, my parents. Yeah, good being doing this video, so see you later. Bye.